This is a 2-pack of Rapthor protected lithium-ion batteries. I was sent this 2-pack to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $52. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, so the contents of the package are 2 of these 5.2 amp hour batteries. These are lithium-ion batteries. They have a BMS for protection. They go down to 9 volts. They only get up to about 12.6 volts. So it's just a little bit lower voltage range than a lead-acid battery would have, but many devices will work fine with that slightly lower range. Now the 2-pack comes with a single charger, so this guy will charge either of the batteries, but basically you have to choose which one you're charging at any particular time. And then they come with some accessories for connecting them to devices. So these are both female barrel connector plugs, and you can see here each battery comes with both a male and a female plug. And the idea here is that the charger can be used to charge this battery by plugging it into the female connector there. And then the output of the battery will come out here. So if you have a device that uses this standard size plug, it's 5.5 millimeters on the outside, 2.1 millimeters on the inside, you can just plug it directly in. If you don't, they include this guy, so you can solder that end to something, or this guy where you can connect wires into the end here to get the power out of the battery. And so each battery has the choice of which connector to use, and there is only the one charger for both batteries here. So the idea is maybe you're charging one battery at home while this battery is out in the field doing something. So just sitting here, not plugged in anything, the charger takes 0 watts, so there's no real vampiric load when the charger's plugged in but not actually powering the battery. So I've plugged it into the battery. The light turns red to indicate it's charging, and you can see here that the charger's drawing about 28 watts. So this battery, as a nominal 12-volt battery, would be about 24 watts at a 2-amp charger. So it does look like that charger is putting in kind of the 2 amps at 12 volts to charge this guy up. So this is the Rapthor BP007 battery. So in the past I found that these batteries do deliver the 5.2 amp hours that they're rated, as long as you're willing to draw them down to the 9 volt kind of minimum level. If you're drawing them down to kind of like 11.5 volts, you're only going to get about 2.5 amp hours out of them. So the lithium-ion voltage range is just a little bit lower than the equivalent lead-acid battery, but if your device will work all the way down to 9 volts, these guys do deliver the full 5 amp hours. Okay, I am going to discharge this battery, drawing 3 amps until it gets down to 9.5 volts. So the battery is providing 3 amps. The voltage had sagged down to about 12.1 volt. It was kind of floating at 12.5 beforehand. And we are discharging, and we will see if we get the 5 amp hours out of it. Okay, so looking at the time lapse, this battery delivered 5.3 amp hours down to the 9.5 volt level. So that is just slightly above the 5.2 amp hour rating. So it does meet its specifications if you're okay going all the way down to 9.5 volt level. Just for completeness, I'm going to run the other battery through the same test. We're going to draw it in 3 amps. We're going to go until it hits 9.5 volts. So the second battery is providing 3 amps. The initial voltage sag was down to like 12.1 volts. And yes, the second battery also meets the specifications.